Hello guys, welcome back to Soap Media. It's your boy Soap Media here. I do so much on this platform, and right now I want to make a tutorial, of a tutorial on how to register on Primevault's new payment platform called Bubblix.ng. Bubblix.ng is an online wallet, an online wallet that you can receive and send money. Okay, let me introduce myself. Hi, I'm Soap Media. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. I do media, news, comedy, and any platform reviews. You can hit the subscribe button to watch more videos later, but right now I want to talk about Bubblix.ng, the new payment platform that Primevault boss has decided to start using. Okay, so we know Primevault has been having issues of disbursing funds to the many people they have. Okay, 104,000, I guess 104,000 as of today when I checked. There are 104,000 people out there, and you can imagine how many thousands of people are requesting for withdrawals every day, and this has been having giving their system a lot of backlogs, and now they have finally come to a conclusion of having their own. I don't know if Bubblix belongs to them, but then they are actually talking around like the code you're using to register is kind of like Primevault. So I think it's theirs, even though they are not actually telling us that. So guys, I'll be taking you to the page right now where you register. Okay, register on Bubblix and then integrate it to your Primevault account, and whenever you make withdrawal, it will automatically be made into your Bubblix account. Then from your Bubblix account you can withdraw it back to your bank account. So let's go. You can see here I already have a Bubblix account. So join me. If you haven't heard yet, just hit the Bubblix.ng/login. Try to be using this bub/ng whenever you're visiting the site, because right now there are thousands of people trying to register. So I actually had to try my best. I had to keep trying severally before I was able to access the web page, because it's new. Yes, it's new, and then the resource is limited. The resource is limited. Like the number of people that can rush and log in at a time is limited. It's not as vast as Primevault's own main website. So so what you want to do is hit the /login, and whenever it shows you error, just reload like 2-3 times, it will open up. And so let me quickly walk you down how to create an account with Bubblix and register it on Primevault. What you want to do is visit, as I said earlier, bubblix.ng/login. Just try as much as possible to using this /login. As you can see, I already have an account here, so I'll be taking you to on that page where I'll be showing you how to register on the page. So here we have home company files, blah blah blah. Just click on this create wallet. Click on create wallet, and to quickly bring you to this page. Because I already have an account, it's showing me all this. It will quickly bring you to this page. The fun thing about this is that you don't really need much. All you just need is name, email, date of birth, what's it called, date of birth, month, year, password, country, Nigeria, phone number. You can see I've actually inputted mine all here, and let me just select any date since I'm not really registering again. Let me see this. Let me say I was born in 2000. So that's it. You repeat your password here again. Let me just write. Okay, so that's it. You quickly type in the same password year and year. Choose your country, insert your number like this, and here is the very important part. This is one of the reasons why I'm doing this video. Many people just rush and go ahead and register once a year. Primevault says register on Bubblix.ng. They rush and register. Now Primevault's boss Vibes gave a direct advice, like, I don't know if I should call it an order, but it's an advice that will make you get verified sharply, immediately, when you use Primevault's pin. The Primevault have a pin you have to insert here, and this is the pin right here: capital letter P, capital letter V, and 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4 zeros, please, not letter O, but zeros. Once you use this to to register, they will not ask you for verification. You automatically be verified because it will identify you as a prime. It will identify you as someone who's coming from Primevault, so you will not have to go through KYC for the time being. That's what he said, for the time being. There may be changes later, but for now, if you use this code to register, you will not have to go through the many verifications before you can withdraw and make other things on the platform. So that's it, guys. So once you are ready, you click create account. It will immediately tell you successful. It will immediately tell you successful. So I've already created an account, so I won't be hitting this create account anymore. So I'll just go ahead and log in to show you how the interface is and how to have your way around it. Let me log in now. Let me log in. Okay, my password. Remember me and sign in. Just wait for it to load. Whenever it's creating an account or signing in, it just doesn't load, but it's actually loading. Error occurred, failed to log in, email address, password is incorrect. Okay, this is because of the congestion. Okay, my password is actually correct. That is what I've been trying to tell you. My password is actually correct, but because of the congestion, there are too many people on the site right now, too many people trying to create account. So there's so much congestion right there. So what you want to do is just chill. Okay, chill, and when you log in, you see this very phone number. Okay, this very phone number you see here, you see it right there, but on that phone number you have some numbers here, maybe pub, maybe bob, something like this, as your wallet account. So what you would have to do is to copy this particular account, copy it, and go back to Primevault and just insert it there. So I'll make a quick tutorial. Once I'm able to log in, I'll make another quick tutorial on how to go ahead and put this on Primevault and make your cash out fast and easy. So that will be it on this video, guys. Network is choke right now. It's really choked right now. I told you guys I had to try severally before I was able to even register, before even getting my first login attempt. So right now what you want to do is just take your time, chill, and try it later on. Sign up for an account, create an account, fill all the necessary things you have to fill here. Okay, fill all the necessary things you have to fill, and then go hit the login button, and then come on and put your account details here and sign in. But the very important part, once again, guys, is this PV. Anybody can easily navigate through a website and create a wallet account. Okay, but then the very important part is using this PV 0000, 4 zeros, capital letter P, capital letter V, and 4 zeros. That's it, guys. So do not forget that in whatsoever you do when you want to register, use that, please and please, please and please. So that's it, guys. Keep your fingers crossed. Once I'm able to log in, I'll show you a way around it. Then I'll show you also how to integrate it into Primevault to be able to receive payment faster. It is obvious that whoever has this Bubblix account will receive payment faster than any other person that is using normal banks. Okay, normal banks won't really help this time because this is the fastest gateway they have been able to provide, as they promised last month when they went on break. So guys, till my next video, bye bye, and do not forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button if I helped you out. Thank you.